looking a little rough right now, but that's why we're getting fixed up. Like, yeah, it's a maintenance week. I'm finna have my homegirl do my lashes for me. She's into clusters, so I'm about to go over there really quick and get them done. And then I'm getting my nails done tomorrow, cause like, y'all, this is so sad. I can't go around like this, and this one won't even come off. I don't know about you, but I know about me, and I can't do it. So yeah. Oh, and also I got sick over the weekend, so if I sound a little funky, that's why. I apologize. I didn't even get to go to my Connect group on Mondays like I usually do with my sisters in Christ, and I was bummed out about that, but still made sure to get my word in. I'll be there next week. I'm about to go get my lashes done. I'm excited. I'm trying to get all done up this week because this weekend my sister is eloping, and yeah, she told us to wear white, and I was like, girl, why you want us to wear white? You supposed to wear white. But she said she don't care, but I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can talk her out of it, because I feel like only the bride is meant to wear white, you know? It's just, it's significant. It just signals that, you know? So, but that's just me. Yeah, I gotta do something with my hair, y'all. I'm sorry. I just got home from work. I didn't wear this. I put on something comfy. I had a dress on, but I was just like, let me put something on real quick. So sorry if my energy is not there. Like I said, I'm currently under the weather. Them little gremlins over the weekend got me sick. I was like, who catches a cold in summer? Apparently I do. So they gave it to me. But yeah, who catches a cold in the summer? Nobody. That's like unheard of. And now look at me sick, just sneezing away. I'm about to go over there and get my lashes done. I'm just gonna take y'all with me. See y'all over there. I'm gonna see if she lets me record the process. I'm pretty sure she will. So y'all see the inside.
Your tripod?
Mm-hmm.
I have this.
Open. Cute.
Whenever I start doing nails.
Oh yeah, you gotta start back.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I think they're cute. What y'all think? Sometimes I feel like I be looking cross-eyed.
More content.
It's just me. All right, y'all. I just got back from my lash appointment. As you can see, I like them. They're cute. I got a doll set. Let me know what y'all think. But I think she did a good job. Shout out to Lashes by Lo. Yeah, I'll probably link her Instagram so y'all can follow. But yeah, and then tomorrow I'm going to get these nails done. She helped me soak this thing off, and I kind of hurt myself a little bit, but that's my fault. And but yeah, so stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a few days behind, but I did end up getting my nails done. Y'all saw me color, and then I got some type of chrome on top. It wasn't the gold or the silver, because she had me choose. I didn't know they had more than gold or silver chrome to choose from. So she gave me like 10 different options, and I just chose one of them. But they really all look good. So I'm gonna have to try something different each time. But yeah, I went with this because I'm trying to get some type of maintenance done, because tomorrow my sister is eloping, and you know, we had to be prepared for that. So I may end up getting my eyebrows threaded. I'm not gonna get them tinted this time, because I think I know how to tint them now by myself. So I'm just gonna get them threaded, and yeah. So yes, hair did, nails did, everything did. Gotta make sure I'm straight with y'all. Actually, y'all, I think we're finna go eat right now, because I'm low-key hungry and I just got off. So food sounds like a plan to me. There's this hibachi place that we have down here, but we're not gonna eat on the hibachi side. We're just gonna eat on the regular restaurant side, because I don't got time for all that. You know, hibachi is just for the show, you know, and I don't want the show. I just want the food right now. So yeah, that's where we're going. I need to look at their menu. I never looked when you asked me to. Either that spot or a different spot, because he indecisive and I don't know. We ended up going to the hibachi spot I was talking about, and he's just trying things. He's one of those people that are into anime, so they try all types of Asian foods that they know nothing about, like a goy roll.
Focus on.
Oh wait, you're better angle. They're gonna be like, what is that?
They don't know what that is.
Let me see. You never know. Hold on, y'all. I gotta do a fit check. The pants are from Marshalls. The shirt, Marshalls. Hair did, nails did, everything did. Kicks from Journeys. Oh yeah, peep the socks, y'all. I love to have a cute outfit on with some crazy socks. It's just something about it, you know, adds a little spice. So what y'all think? 10 out of 10 or 11 out of 10? Which one? No more, no less. I just got back from the mall. I got my sister a Pandora tennis bracelet, and I got it blue. Since she's eloping, I was like, okay, you know, something borrowed, something blue, something new. Her dresses was new. I haven't thought about borrowed yet, because she don't ever give stuff back to me. But I did get her something blue, and it's that bracelet, so hopefully she like it. And I was really like, dang, I really should be getting this for me, because I like blue for real. She a purple girl, but it's okay. It'll suffice. But yeah, do y'all like my eyebrows? I got them threaded with no tint. I usually do tint. This time I didn't, and I think I kind of like it better without the tint, because I can always color them in myself. I've been learning how to do that, so, and I think I've been doing pretty good. So, and I'm getting over my cold. I've been sick all week, so sorry that I didn't drop earlier, but yes, I've been sick, and I feel like I can still hear it in my voice, just congested, and like, who catches a cold in the summer? Apparently I do. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch me in the next one. Bye.